Hello, today we are going to learn days of week in Spanish. Días de la semana en español. Monday, lunes, lunes. Tuesday, martes, martes. Wednesday, miércoles, miércoles. Thursday, jueves, jueves. Friday, viernes, viernes. Saturday, sábado, sábado. Sunday, domingo, domingo. The week, la semana. Weekend, fin de semana. Next Monday, el lunes que viene. Last Monday, el lunes pasado. Unlike in English, the days of the week in Spanish are normally not capitalized. Most of these names end in es. So, the singular and plural forms are one and the same. Example, Monday and Mondays. Therefore, to distinguish between on Mondays and on Monday, it is necessary to use the definite article el or los. For example, this store is closed on Sundays. Esta tienda está cerrada los domingos. Esta store, tienda, está closed, cerrada on Sundays, los domingos. Esta tienda está cerrada los domingos. Hope it helped. Thank you for watching my video. Subscribe to my channel to learn more Spanish. Thank you.